Performance-graded asphalt proficiency samples 271 and 272 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on April 6, 2023. Upon receipt, carefully open the box and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. The box will contain two 1-quart cans of liquid asphalt. The material is a modified asphalt with a performance grade of PG 76-22. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. When conducting testing for these samples, the following temperatures should be used: unconditioned dynamic sherryometer, AASHTO T315, ASTM D7175 at 76 degrees Celsius. Rolling thin film oven conditioned material in the dynamic sherryometer, AASHTO T315, ASTM D7175 at 76 degrees Celsius. Multiple stress creep and recovery in the dynamic sherryometer, AASHTO T350, ASTM D6521 at 76 degrees Celsius. Also, please use a new test sample for this round of testing. Do not continue the test from a specimen that was used for AASHTO T315, ASTM D7175. Pressurized aging vessel conditioned material in the dynamic sherryometer, AASHTO T315, ASTM D7175 at 31 degrees Celsius. Pressurized aging vessel conditioned material in the bending beam rheometer, AASHTO T313, ASTM D6648 at -12 degrees Celsius. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.